What if I told you this beautiful loaf contains no wheat flour, is packed with protein, naturally gluten-free, and incredibly easy to make? Today we're making what I call the Miracle Loaf. It's soft, satisfying, low in carbs, high in protein, and perfect for anyone looking for a healthier bread alternative. Whether you're watching your carbs, increasing protein, managing blood sugar, or simply looking for a delicious homemade bread, this recipe is worth trying. From which country are you watching? Let's get started. 2 cups almond flour, 1 cup cottage cheese, 1 whole egg, 1/4 cup liquid egg whites, 1 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt. One of the best things about this recipe is its simplicity. Just 6 ingredients come together to create a surprisingly soft and satisfying loaf. Let's talk about why this bread works so well. Almond flour provides healthy fats, fiber, and keeps the carbohydrate content much lower than traditional bread. Cottage cheese adds moisture, protein, and helps create a soft texture. The egg and egg whites provide structure and extra protein. In fact, the liquid egg whites are one of the secrets to helping this loaf rise higher and hold together better. Baking powder gives the bread lift, and a small pinch of salt helps enhance all the flavors. Together, these ingredients create a bread that's nourishing, filling, and surprisingly delicious. Now simply add everything into a large bowl. At first, it might look a little wet. That's completely normal. Keep mixing. After a minute or two, you'll notice the mixture coming together into a soft, thick dough. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming the dough isn't right during the first few moments of mixing. Be patient. The almond flour gradually absorbs moisture and helps create the perfect texture. Now that's looking much better. What makes this bread different from many traditional loaves? First, it's significantly lower in carbohydrates. That means many people find it fits better into low-carb and ketogenic lifestyles. Second, it's packed with protein. Protein helps support muscle maintenance and can help you stay fuller longer after meals. Third, almond flour naturally contains fiber and healthy fats. These nutrients can help make meals more satisfying compared to highly processed breads. Another benefit is that this recipe is naturally gluten-free. For people avoiding wheat or simply looking for alternative flour options, this can be a great choice. Line a loaf pan with parchment paper. Transfer the dough into the pan. Use a spatula to smooth the top. Don't worry about making it perfect. A rustic loaf often looks the most homemade and inviting. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for approximately 40 to 50 minutes. Every oven is slightly different, so begin checking near the 40-minute mark. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown top and a loaf that feels firm when gently pressed. As it bakes, your kitchen will start smelling amazing. This next step is important. Allow the loaf to cool before slicing. I know it's tempting to cut into it immediately, but cooling allows the structure to finish setting. If you slice too early, the bread may crumble. Patience pays off here. Look at that texture, soft, moist, tender. This loaf is delicious on its own. Toasted with butter, topped with avocado, used for sandwiches, or served alongside soups and salads. The protein and healthy fats help make it surprisingly satisfying. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. You can also slice and freeze individual portions. That way, you'll always have a healthy bread option ready whenever you need it. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to subscribe for more healthy, high-protein, low-carb recipes that are simple, delicious, and easy to make at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.